Okay. My body line is right here. There's the body line on the inside of the panel there. Everything seems to line up okay. I noticed a little bit, a little long. Sorry about the coughing, but where the hell am I at? Oh, there we go. It's a little long there. I understand that, but when you come down here, I am dead on with the wheel well here. I got a screw in it right there. I got it screwed right here temporarily. But as you look on down, this measurement from this line here to this line here gets smaller on the car. So if this is correct here at shit, let me see here. What am I measuring here? If I go from that body line to that body line, I have 13.5 inches from the bottom of this line here to this line right up here. 13.5 inches. And then if you go all the way down here, I've got my tape, bottom of my tape on the body line. There's the body line right there. This is the body line on the panel. All that looks great and perfect and shiny and all that, but that body line all the way down is wrong. Because up back here, the measurement between this body line and this body line is different. I'll do this all one-handed here, hang on. I'm burning an inch, so actually from that body line to there is 11 inches ish. So from down there to here, there's a 2-inch difference. The taper, it tapers from there to there. It's not a straight line.